5, 2.5 times.
La Pynlong ya ka program bakarpang Rhino Auditorium da ka Veterans Cell jangka 101 area headquarter ban pensionor ya ki Shipai bala Shongthait hagajala ban sengkam lajong ki officer ka Prime Mekalia ka MBDA ka CM Elevate ka Tanat Fisheries bat ka Mekalia Rural Bank kila ajing batai ki Shipai bala Shongthait halor ki scheme ka sarkar bat ya ki lat ya rap bisa ka senior manager ka MBDA ka Kong Lisa Kharpomtia kala penpaw ki scheme ki ban sapen mi kentop halor ki kam yelek kai bat ki kam kilanmen u director ka Sainik Welfare Board u retired Colonel Darrell Momen u labanchur halor ke jingkong san ban Pynlong ek Shipai bala Shongthait kum kinong ai kam ai champat ya ki riu pat ba.
Today we had the opportunity to interact with the ex-servicemen and we have shared the various schemes that the government has designed for the various entrepreneurship ecosystem of the state as a whole. So apart from that, I would like to share also that we have now an upcoming scheme under CM Elevate which is related to adventure sports. So this is very fitting for them and it's like very good because these are actually people who are coming out from the service, so they are physically very fit and they will be capable to get this and avail this.